Welcome to the discussion for the month of July 2025, and the topic is Guardian Capital's differentiator, what stood out and why it worked. If we look at the graph, the orange bars show how much the market was overvalued for the month when compared to their historical 2-year averages. So, in the month of April 2024, the market was about 13% overvalued, and when the market was at its all-time high, that is in September and October, it was about 24 to 26% overvalued.
So it went from 13% overvalue in a span of approximately 6 months to about 26% overvalue. In that time, what we did was, because it is so overvalued, and if you invest in those conditions, your 5-year returns would be fairly low. We started looking at credit funds to deploy money. So for a lot of clients who already had money with us for a couple of years, we put them in arbitrage funds, and we found credit funds that give you a return of about 12%, 14%, 16%. So I think that was one call that did well, just patience of just waiting till valuations made a little more sense.
And when markets started correcting in November, from about mid-November up till Jan, we've cumulatively deployed about 26% of the funds that we have collected in liquid funds. And by Feb, when the market was about 9% overvalued, we were deployed 43% cumulatively. And by March end, when the market was about 6% overvalued, we have deployed about 82% cumulative. So from this point on, the market has went up by 18%.
Yeah, keeping in mind that's not something that we planned on or we expected the market to move up that fast. But it moved up quickly, and now it's back in overvalue territory, and we have an issue deploying. Having said that, I think the lesson or the thing that we did really well here is that we held on to the money, and we only deployed it when we thought valuations were reasonable. And for these clients, it has paid out in the short run, where they've quickly made an 18% return versus, I think, if you look back on in generally for the last 12 months, the returns from the market have been fairly flat. So this was one thing I think we wanted to highlight. Okay.
Please do reach out to us if you have any further questions. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.